to question number 6 of exercise 7.2. In question number 6, it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. And we have to produce side BA to D such that AD is equals to AB. AD और BAB के equal है. And we have to prove angle BCD is equals to 90 degree. We have to prove BCD is equals to 90 degree. So, what is given? AB is equals to AC and also AB is equals to AD. AB is equals to AC and AB is equals to AD. So, there implies AC is equals to AD. AC इक्वल हो गया AD के. हमने यहाँ मार्क भी कर रखा है, तो AC किसके इक्वल हो गया AD के. Now we have to use isosceles property in triangle ABC. Angle 1 is in triangle ABC. AB is equals to AC. So there implies angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Reason, angles opposite to equal sides are equal, right? So angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Similarly, in triangle ACD, AC is equals to AD. हम ये प्रूव कर चुके हैं अभी, proved above. So there implies angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Reason वही रहेगा same जो हमने ऊपर लिखा है. Now, so 1 is equals to 2 and 3 is equals to 4. These are the two equations. Now, in triangle BCD, we can use angle sum property. In triangle BCD, we can use angle sum property. That is angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. किसी भी ट्राइंगल के सभी एंगल्स का सम कितना डिग्री होता है? 180 डिग्री होता है. नाउ वी कैन चेंज 1 बाय 2, क्योंकि 1 किसके इक्वल था? 2 के. तो हम 1 को चेंज कर सकते हैं 2 से, 2 एज इट इज रहेगा. और 4 को हम चेंज कर सकते हैं 3 से, 3 एज इट इज रहेगा. और 4 को हमने चेंज कर दिया 3 से, बिकॉज अभी हम प्रूव कर चुके हैं angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Now angle 2 plus angle 2 is twice of angle 2 and 3 plus angle 3 is twice of angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Now we can take 2 as common, then angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 and angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 90 degree. और 2 plus 3 को अगर हम एक साथ लिखेंगे then it is BCD. तो 2 plus 3 के प्लेस पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? एंगल BCD is equals to 90 degree. Hence proved. In question number 7, it is given that in triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 90 degree and AB is equals to AC. So students, you can again use the isosceles property in triangle when sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. So angle B is equals to angle C. By using of this concept, we can find the value of B and C. So in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. It is given. Then there implies angle B is equals to angle C. By angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So let us suppose angle B is equals to X and angle C is equals to X. Because sides are equal, then angles are equal. Now by angle sum property, now in triangle ABC, we can use angle sum property. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. By angle sum property, the value of A is 90 degree, B is X, C is X, and it is 180. It will be 2x is equals to 180 minus 90 and x is equals to 90 over 2, that is 45 degree. So angle B is equals to 45 degree and angle C is equals to 45 degree. Answer. Now come to question number 8. In question number 8 it is given that ABC is equilateral triangle. आज तक आपने पढ़ा है equilateral triangle when all the sides are equal and the each angle is 60 degree. अभी हम उसको show करेंगे. It is equilateral triangle whose all sides are equal. AB is equals to BC is equals to AC. So how can we prove each angle is 60 degree? By isosceles property we can use. Now here in triangle ABC, AB is equals to BC, given. So there implies angle AB is equals to BC. So there implies angle A is equals to angle C. There implies angle A is equals to angle C. When we have take AB is equals to BC, जब हमने AB को BC के equal लिया, then angle A किसके equal हो गया? Angle C के. Reason, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Right students? Now again in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC पहले हमने कौन सा वर्टेक्स लिया था अभी B. BA is equals to BC. Then angle A किसके इक्वल हो गया? C के. अभी आप वर्टेक्स A ले लीजिए. AB is equals to AC. Then there implies angle B is equals to angle C. Reason वही रहेगा. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. It is equation number 1. It is equation number 2. पहले आपने वर्टेक्स B लिया, फिर A लिया, अब C वर्टेक्स ले लीजिए. Now in triangle ABC, CA is equals to CB. It is given. So there implies angle A is equals to angle B. Angle A is equals to angle B. It is equation number 3. And now we can use angle sum properties in this triangle. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle A को ऐसे ही रखिए और B के प्लेस पे भी आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? एंगल A. और C के प्लेस पे भी आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? एंगल A. So it is 3 of angle A is equals to 180 degree and angle A will be 60 degree. और अगर एंगल A 60 होगा तो एंगल B भी 60 होगा, B 60 होगा तो C भी 60 होगा. So that implies angle A is 60, angle B is 60 and angle C is 60 degree. Answer.